Hi, it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Welcome to your Being Still guided meditation. Please subscribe to keep up to date with new meditation videos. When you're ready, find a quiet place in which to take a comfortable seat. Sit up tall and close your eyes. Breathe patiently and fully, yet gently and quietly, in and out through your nose. Give yourself permission to do nothing. Give yourself permission to embrace this moment of stillness. There's nothing at all that needs to be done other than staying here, still watching your breath. As you watch your breath with an easy, relaxed mind, give your attention on what else the mind or the body is feeling. Notice your own discomfort by simply being present, doing nothing. Notice if the mind would rather run off towards the future, a to-do list, or planning. Notice if the mind would rather busy itself with reviewing the past or thinking. And each time you notice, acknowledge the pull of movement, of distraction, and then with the loving patience of a compassionate elder, give your mind permission to rest. Help the mind settle. Be at peace. Be still. By guiding towards awareness of body and breath. Without thinking of breath, present with breath. Without thinking of body, present with body. Feel into breath and body as you let the mind rest back. Allow for the mind to feel spacious, open, and at ease. Allow the mind to drop into the joy, the bliss of no longer needing to do, the bliss of simply being. The not doing includes no longer fighting against the movement of the mind or the rising thoughts. Allow this too to simply be. Chase nothing. Distraction will arise, but there's nothing to do. Notice, acknowledge, and love. You'll find yourself again in the spaciousness of presence with the body and with the breath. Feel into the preciousness of this moment. This relative quiet, relative stillness. Give yourself permission to stay right here for as long as you'd like. There's nowhere to go. Nothing to do. Nothing more sacred or more worthy than this. Just watching, noticing, being present with your body and your breath. Give yourself permission to be still.